Well, this morning in the fight against the coronavirus, it's looking up, but we're not out of the woods yet. Each day, the numbers show Hampton Roads is doing better with COVID-19. So much so that Richmond is starting to shift the focus elsewhere.
News 3 reporter Anthony Sabella live with where we go from here. Anthony, good morning.
Hey, good morning, guys. So this all comes from Governor Northam's update yesterday on COVID-19. He says more than 500,000 people across Virginia have now downloaded the COVID-Wise app, that app that helps you find out if you've potentially been exposed to the coronavirus pandemic. He says he still hopes more people download it to prevent the spread of COVID-19 here in the Commonwealth. Right now, the Commonwealth's percent positivity rate for COVID-19, 6.8%. The concern is shifting from Hampton Roads to southwestern Virginia, which now has the highest rates in the state. Central Virginia also being watched right now. Meantime, here in Hampton Roads, we're riding a 17-day streak of falling percent positivity rates. This turnaround coming after the governor tightened restrictions on gatherings and businesses. Those have since been lifted, and the percent positivity rate here in Hampton Roads sits at 6.2%, lower than the state average.
That's really good news. We're seeing a slight increase in hospital beds there occupied by COVID patients, but overall, we are very pleased with the region's progress.
Now, right now here in Virginia, utilities are required to keep the lights on for people who are falling behind on their payments. Governor Northam says he'd like to see that mandate continue to October 5th, give the General Assembly some extra time to come up with something more permanent, a more permanent solution to help people out here. He also wants to remind people you got to continue social distancing, you got to continue avoiding gatherings, you also have to continue wearing a mask in those indoor public spaces. We want to keep those numbers falling here in Hampton Roads and across the Commonwealth. Reporting live in Virginia Beach, Anthony Sabella, send it back to you.